Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use the import range function in Google Sheets. This function is used to pull data from one sheet onto another, and I'm going to show you how to use it step by step and fix any errors or issues you may encounter on the way. So let's get started. So now you want to make sure that your connection is turned on. Once it's turned on, open up your source sheet. This is the sheet which you want to copy the data from. Then head over to File on the left corner of the screen, click on it, and we're going to open a new sheet. This is the sheet we're going to copy the data into. Now we're going to head back to our source spreadsheet and copy the link by pressing Ctrl+C or right-clicking and selecting copy. Once you've done that, place your cursor in the cell you would like the data to start from and enter equals to import range in all caps and open brackets, then quotation mark, and paste in the link you copied and close it with a quotation mark. Then comma, another quotation mark, and here you're going to enter your sheet name. In my case, it's sheet 1. So I'm going to enter sheet 1 here. And make sure you get the spelling and spacing exactly as it is written here. Then enter an exclamation mark. And now it's time to enter the data range you'd like to import. For instance, on this sheet, I want to copy from the beginning, which is column A, row 1, to row 8 of column D. So here, what I'll enter is A, which is the column, and the row number, which is 1. Enter a column, then the last column with data, which is D, and the last row, which I'd like to import, which is 8. And I'm just going to close it with a quotation mark and a close bracket, and just hit enter. And if this is the first time you're using the import range function, you're going to see this error, #ref. All you need to do is just select allow access. So I'm just going to do that. And if you just wait a bit, you'll see the data from your original sheet has been imported to the new sheet. And if you'd like to import all the data from the original sheets to the new sheet, simply backspace the number from the last column with data. In my case, this is D, so I'm going to backspace 8. And if you head back to the original sheets and add any data to the bottom rows, you'll see it appear on the new sheet. If you see a #value error when you use the formula, this is due to missing quotation marks, or you may have just imputed the wrong syntax. Check your code again to make sure that you spelled everything correctly and put in proper spaces. Or if you see the #NA error, this is because the range you specified doesn't exist in the source sheet. Verify the range name and ensure the source sheet is spelled correctly. If you see #error or an error showing slow loading, this is because the source sheet you want to import is either too large or your internet connection is slow. You can fix this by minimizing the range you're importing or checking your internet connection and switching to a more stable one. If you have 2 pages on the original sheet and you'd like to import the data from the second sheet to the new one, you can simply head back to the new sheet, copy the formula, create a new sheet by clicking on the plus sign here that says add sheet, paste in the link, and then instead of sheet 1, we're going to change it to sheet 2 and click enter. And here you see the data from the second page in our original sheet has been imported here. Note that in place of sheet 2 in the formula, you should enter whatever you name the other page in your original sheet. And that's it for today's video. I hope it helped you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, share, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.